Okay, great. So I'm going to talk about, for the next couple of minutes, about John F. Kennedy's inaugural address that he held at his inauguration in 20th of January in 1961. So, well, if you just look at the start of the speech, you can see, if you hear it, he talks very slowly, and he takes a lot of pauses in the middle of the sentences. So not just at the end of the sentence, but also in the middle of it. So if I were to read the first one, it would be like him. It would be like, "We observe today not a victory of a party, but a celebration of freedom." So there's a lot of pauses. Like, he would probably make them even longer, but that kind of works in those big places, because he's supposed to reach everybody out there, but also at home. So nobody's gonna miss what he's saying when he talks that clearly and doesn't mumble like another politician maybe would do. But that's also maybe because it's an inauguration speech, so there's not a debate, so nobody's gonna like interrupt him in the middle of his speech. So it's not like if you watch a political debate, then they will speak very loudly or fast because they want to get their opinions out, but it's not the same here. And if you look at how he, it's not like just the pauses. When he takes those pauses, he also looks out to the people that he's look out at the people he's talking to. So that kind of make it seem more like sincere, and that kind of, that helps with the speech. All in all, like, the pauses make it so that you get the whole speech with you, and you understand it, and when it also gives him time to look out at the people, and we get time to like think about what he actually said, because sometimes it's kind of complex. Yeah, I think that's what I wanted to say. So bye.